Some of the lessons that I've been learning over the past 3.5 years actually are much different than actual theory development. The development of a theory is one thing, but you also have to look at the person who's working on it. Working on something this difficult is an emotional and psychological development. Because you're practicing resolve, you're practicing persistence and determination. It's a character builder, man. Think about it. When the majority of people just want to ridicule you for thinking differently, and you hold your ground, how much of a character builder is that, man? It's incredible. When you hold your ground against thousands of people who want to put you down and bury you, that's hard. As well, practicing perceptive and creative thinking, unhampered by prejudice, superstition, dogma, or prior beliefs of past scientists, is essential. It's very hard to think differently when you are surrounded by people who all think the same. That's why college, universities, and the like in scientific groups are very, very dangerous. The expertise of everybody tends to close everybody's minds into thinking a specific way about something and not being creative at all. Thus, they have the same mysteries as the other people. When you believe the same things, chances are, and if you have the same mystery, chances are those people that believe the same things have the same mysteries. And what they don't realize is their belief that keeps the mystery. Once they change what they believe, the mystery vanishes. Like the mystery of planet formation. It's just star evolution itself. The star is the new planet. As the star cools and dies, it keeps its spherical shape, differentiates the material, and becomes the planet. It's not a mystery. The reason why it's a mystery is because prior beliefs are getting in the way of them understanding nature. But this talk is mostly on character building. For 3.5 years, I've had people ridiculing me, putting me down, telling me that my science stinks or whatever, calling me names like crank, crackpot, pseudoscientist, all that stuff. Yes, it bothered me a lot, but it was also an excellent exercise in determination and resolve. I highly doubt any of those people calling me those names have the kind of resolve I do. A lot of people online, they just want to throw out an insult and then they disappear. So, that's all it really amounts to. But it did have a huge impact on strengthening my determination to develop the theory further. As well, it has allowed me to think of things in a more professional light. Because if I'm going to do this professionally, I can't let the little small people get me down. I'm gonna have to work on things regardless of what people believe. Regardless of how many people want to insult me and try to put me in a little box. Because that's what a lot of experts do these days. They have to put others in boxes because they can't, they don't know what to do with it. Today is April 24th, 2015.